back to Landscapia Garden Channel. Imagine stepping into a backyard where every path leads to lush greenery, colorful tropical foliage, and fruit hanging gracefully from elegant trees. A well-designed edible tropical garden transforms an ordinary outdoor space into a luxurious retreat that delights every sense. Instead of separating beauty from productivity, modern landscape design combines both, creating a paradise that offers visual elegance, fresh harvests, and a relaxing atmosphere throughout the year. Every exceptional garden begins with a clear vision. Rather than randomly planting fruit trees, successful tropical landscapes balance aesthetics, function, and sustainability. Think of your backyard as a living resort where ornamental palms, flowering shrubs, and productive fruit trees work together. The goal is to create a space that feels sophisticated while providing delicious fruits directly from your own garden. Before selecting plants, study how sunlight, wind, rainfall, and soil conditions vary across your property. Even within one backyard, different microclimates can support different tropical species. Warm, sheltered corners are ideal for delicate fruits, while open sunny areas encourage vigorous growth. Understanding these natural conditions helps every tree thrive with less maintenance and greater long-term success. The foundation of an edible tropical garden is selecting fruit trees that are both beautiful and productive. Mangoes offer broad canopies and fragrant blossoms, while avocados provide lush evergreen foliage. Starfruit adds sculptural branching, and lychee trees produce dense, attractive crowns. Citrus varieties contribute glossy leaves and fragrant flowers, creating visual interest long before the fruit appears. Choosing trees with different shapes, textures, and harvest seasons ensures beauty throughout the year. Professional tropical landscapes rarely rely on a single layer of planting. Instead, they imitate the natural rainforest by combining tall canopy trees, medium-sized fruit trees, colorful shrubs, ornamental grasses, flowering vines, and low-growing ground covers. These layered plantings create depth, privacy and a sense of discovery while maximizing every square foot of the garden without feeling overcrowded. Elegant pathways guide visitors through the landscape while encouraging them to appreciate each planting area. Natural stone, gravel, timber decking, or stepping stones blend beautifully with tropical surroundings. Curved paths create mystery and invite exploration, revealing fruit trees, seating areas, and colorful planting beds one section at a time, making the garden feel much larger than it actually is. One secret of luxury edible gardens is disguising productivity within ornamental design. Pair vibrant heliconias, gingers, bromeliads, elephant ears, and colorful crotons alongside fruit trees to create rich tropical textures. These companion plants soften the appearance of edible species while providing year-round color, making the entire landscape resemble a botanical garden rather than a traditional orchard. Flowing water instantly elevates the atmosphere of a tropical garden. A small pond, cascading waterfall, or decorative fountain reflects surrounding foliage while introducing soothing natural sounds. Water features also attract birds and beneficial wildlife, increasing biodiversity. Combined with tropical fruit trees, these elements create the peaceful ambience often found in luxury resorts and private retreats. edible tropical landscape becomes even more enjoyable when it includes comfortable places to relax. Pergolas covered with climbing vines, shaded patios beneath fruit trees, outdoor dining areas, and cozy lounge seating allow homeowners to experience the garden throughout the day. These living spaces transform the landscape into an outdoor extension of the home where harvesting fruit becomes part of everyday life. Thoughtfully placed landscape lighting extends the enjoyment of the garden after sunset. Uplighting beneath fruit trees emphasizes their sculptural forms, while soft pathway lights improve safety and create a welcoming atmosphere. Warm lighting enhances tropical foliage, making glossy leaves shimmer during evening gatherings and giving the entire backyard an elegant resort-inspired appearance. A successful edible garden always offers something exciting to experience. By selecting fruit trees with staggered flowering and harvesting periods, homeowners enjoy changing colors, blossoms, fragrances, and fresh produce across every season. This continuous cycle keeps the landscape vibrant while providing an ever-changing visual display that encourages repeated exploration. Luxury landscapes are increasingly designed with sustainability in mind. Organic compost enriches the soil naturally, mulch conserves moisture, and rainwater harvesting reduces irrigation costs. Companion planting encourages beneficial insects while minimizing pest problems. These environmentally friendly practices create healthier fruit trees, richer soil, and a garden that becomes more productive with every passing year. An edible tropical garden flourishes when birds, butterflies, bees, and other pollinators become regular visitors. Flowering tropical plants provide nectar, while fruit trees offer food and shelter. This balanced ecosystem improves pollination, supports biodiversity, and fills the garden with movement and natural sounds that enhance the relaxing outdoor experience. No two luxury edible gardens should look exactly alike. Some homeowners may prefer a modern minimalist design with carefully spaced specimen trees, while others embrace a dense jungle-inspired retreat overflowing with foliage. Decorative pots, artistic sculptures, natural wood furniture, and locally sourced stone help express individual style while complementing the lush tropical environment and making the garden uniquely personal. Designing an edible tropical garden is about far more than growing fruit. It is an opportunity to create a luxurious outdoor sanctuary where elegant landscaping and abundant harvests exist in perfect harmony. By carefully selecting beautiful fruit trees, layering tropical plants, incorporating inviting outdoor spaces, and embracing sustainable gardening practices, any backyard can become a breathtaking paradise that nourishes both the body and the soul while delivering year-round beauty and unforgettable moments. Thank you for watching Landscapia Garden. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more inspiring garden home.